This is Matt, and this is a short video on how to insert a table on Looker Studio. So I'm right here in the back end of Looker Studio inside a project. I'm just going to flick over to the second page to get a bit more space at the bottom here. So in order to insert a table, we just click on Add a Chart at the top here. Now all the different charts and tables and graphs, whatever you want to call them, are available here. We've even got sort of Google Maps, we've got pie charts, bar charts, so on and so forth. The one that we want is at the top here for tables. There's a standard table, there's a table with bars, and a table with heat maps. So let's just go with the standard table. And now we need to actually drag and drop this. So we choose a place for the chart to go. We can always customize it and move it around. So by default, the chart looks like this. We can start to drag the chart around. We can increase the size or decrease the size just by pulling these hooks over here. So by default, my data source is this website here. I actually have Google Analytics data here for a number of different websites, but depending on what kind of data you're going to be dealing with inside your Looker Studio, you'll have your data sources here, of which you can add them at the bottom by clicking on Add Data. But this is just how to actually get the table going. So by default, I have date here for the dimension, and the metric is total users. If I wanted to change any of these, I can easily just click there and just start to search. So if I wanted sessions in there, I could just change the metric out just like that. So we see that that changes, so data is still there and sessions is there. And we can add other things. If I click back into the chart, we can add different things. There's all sorts of sorting that we can do. There's the filters for the date range and so on and so forth. If I click over to style, there's a whole load of formatting options. So super customizable. We can color this up. We can add shading, whatever you want to do. Add bold, italics, etc., etc. So hopefully you found this video on how to add a table in Looker Studio, now owned by Google. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.